super well. The first two zincs, you noticed that they were moving. That was not the zincs moving. I was pushing or pulling so hard that the shaft was moving with the prop. So those are good. The other side, the shaft is a lot harder to move. So that did not move, and neither did the zincs. Thank you for choosing ES Dive.